If I could watch only one game this week, I think this would be the one.
Both of these teams have some great competitors on their roster, so look for some great individual efforts throughout this game.
Puts up the J. Weber pulls it down. To O'Neal. With the jumper. McGrady for two. He'll bring it up court. He'll shoot. Yes. Dishes off to Hill. To T-Mac. To O'Neal. Pass to Hill. To Davis. To Hill. To the Diesel. He puts up the J. Rose grabs the rebound. The former running Rebel does a whole lot more than run, Bob.
Marion can run and gun, especially from above the rim.
Hughes, good fake. He misfired. They're off and running. Gives it off to Hill. He takes the jumper.
Grant Hill, the assist to Shaquille O'Neal.
Pinpoint passing as he came off that pick and hit him when he rolled.
The assist to number 20, Larry Hughes.
Rose is whistled for the foul. It must be tough to be sitting on the bench when your team's in trouble.
It might be the toughest thing you ever have to do. You just want to get up and just get in there. He hits the screener with a nice little dish as they run the pick and roll play.
With the shot, nails the jumper. O'Neal will bring it up court. To O'Neal. When T-Mac gets the ball, you can feel the electricity in the air.
These fans know he's a highlight waiting to happen.
Strips the ball. This team started to look a little bit tentative out there.
If they don't get a grip on these mental errors, this game could get out of control real quick.
Hughes takes the jumper. With the quick spin move. To Hill. He fakes. Gives it off to O'Neal. Dishes off to Hill. Yes!
Don, this is an education in concentration.
And his shooting streak continues. He wants the isolation.
He knows he's the one with the advantage going one-on-one.
To Nestorovic. To Hughes.
The Suns need to get more production from the post player.
Strips the ball. He sets up the offense. We've got an isolation. Let's see if another defender comes over to help. The Matrix brings the two. To Hill. To Weber. Davis, good fake. Blocked.
Phönix coming up with a big block right on schedule.
Comes up empty. Marion with the board. McGinney takes the jumper. Hill grabs the board. Pulls the trigger.
There's way too much traffic in the key.
Every time down, Bob, it's clogged with opposing players. One-on-one, this player is hard to stop. Hill with the foul.
Grant Hill, that's the first foul in the final 2 minutes.
Davis with the steal. He drives inside. Sends it to Davis. Unloads a three. O'Neal can't find the hole. Nestorovic grabs it. Nice little crossover.
The assist to Larry Hughes.
Shaq runs the floor as well as any big man out there.
That's why he can get such good position most of the time.
The assist to number 4, Chris Weber.
He sets it up on the left side. He's going to try and take his man one-on-one here. O'Neal picks off the pass. Orlando runs the fast break. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. Hill now has 7 points.
Orlando picks and pops.
Who taught that guy how to pass?
You need to make sure your man knows the ball is heading his way.
At the end of the first, the Magic lead the Suns 13-10. After 1 quarter, they're down on the scoreboard, Bob. How do you turn this around?
They need to take more high percentage shots down, and that means kicking the ball down low in the paint.
All night long, they've done a great job of boarding. Stolen. The Suns with the big steal.
Plays like that are going to change this game. His man set the nice pick, and he showed his appreciation with that pass on the roll.
The Matrix shoots. He puts it off the window. He's now got 6 points. To Davis. To Weber. Fakes the shot. He's been robbed. The Magic came up big with their hustle defense.
And that opens up transition basket.
For the Phoenix Suns, number 9, Rick Brunson.
Looks at a three. No good. Hill grabs it. He spins. To Hill. Davis, good fake. Pass to Weber. Back to Hill. In to O'Neal. Powers it down with a two-handed jam. He's now got 6 points.
He wins it.
He'll bring it up court.
They worked the oldest play in the book with the pass off the pick and roll.
It's stolen. They've been able to use their press to come up with steals.
Davis is one of the top point guards in the league today. His game is electric.
He'll bring it up court. Brunson, he's trying to run some plays with the big man to get some production in the paint. Opening up the floor with a fast break.
Tracy McGrady, the assistant.
Grips the ball. Hill is whistled for the offensive foul.
Grant Hill into the game for the Phoenix Suns.
Defensive pressure was responsible for that interception.
There's the fake to C-Web. To T-Mac. To McGrady. Here's the three ball. Look good from here. That's a 9-0 run. Orlando is playing some electrifying ball right now.
Oh, this is good stuff now.
Some of the best we've seen tonight. That guy set a solid screen.
They're battling down low and they have to keep at it.
To Davis. Gives it off to Hill. Got it. That shot is good.
They just don't get any better than that.
He'll bring it up court. Brunson is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Swatted away by T-Mac.
Phönix using great defensive pressure to come up with the ball.
Number 24, Allen Henderson. And number 42, Scott Williams.
Davis with the defensive foul. What can you say when you see a play like that?
If you're the coach, you gotta be patient.
And if you're on the bench,
Oh, they're gonna let him have it.
Gugliotta, good.
The assistant, Milt Palacio.
To O'Neal. He fights on the shot fake.
C-Web's not only a scorer, he can handle the ball as well as any big man and is an excellent passer.
Leaves his feet. Williams with the steal. Phönix is running the break. Oh, I just love alley-oops. Phönix is down 5-6. He's been robbed. He fakes the shot. Tries the three. Williams grabs the offensive rebound. O'Neal picks up the defensive foul.
That's the first foul.
Makes it.
Into the game for the Suns. Number 50, Corey
Makes the
Jackson.
second.
And number 20, Larry Hughes.
fake. Sends it to O'Neal. To Webb. Up with the shot. Hill drills the three. He has 10 points. I think we're seeing a call for some boats play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Henderson hits the shot. To Weber. Dishes off to Hill. To Davis. Passes off to McGrady. To the Diesel. Rejected.
Out of bounds. Orlando ball.
10 on the shot clock.
For the Suns.
Lots of room. Davis with an easy 2.
You can see their coach signaling to the ball handler.
Well, he wants them to be the ones taking the last shot. Sends it to Hill. Now that's what I call a power jam.
The assist to Grant Hill.
Hughes sets it up on the left side. Takes the three-pointer. At the end of the first half, Orlando leads Phoenix 31-22. After 1 half of play, Bob, what do you see them doing to get back into this one?
Better shot selection, down too many times in the first half. These guys just set up the first shot they saw.
And see if they're able to move things around more inside.
The assist to Larry Hughes.
Webb shoots.
This team is firing on all cylinders now.
He'll bring it up court.
Shaquille O'Neal.
He loves the isolation. Lets him show off his offensive skills. That's 8 points for the former UNLV running Rebel.
The assist to Larry Hughes.
He sets it up on the right side with a nice shot fake. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam.
Number 1, Aaron Davis.
Takes the jumper.
The assist to number 20, Larry Hughes.
To Shaq. To Weber. To Hill. To McGrady. He buys the shot. Goodness gracious, he was thinking 360 the whole time. Hughes sets the offense. You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. O'Neal grabs it. Orlando is looking to finish this 2-on-1. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats. Hughes sets it up on the right side. Here's a guy that loves the isolation play.
Loves it because he knows he can take his man.
The assist to Corey McGetty.
To McGrady. To Hill with the nice shot fake. To T-Mac with the shot. Got it.
That's the kind of play they're going to need from him, Don.
The Suns better try something else out there.
Every step they've made so far in the third quarter, the visiting team has been able to match.
Well, something's got to give. Just a beautiful double pump jam. Hughes will bring it up court. From three-point range. Marion comes up empty. Mr. High Riser, he sure threw that one down with authority. Orlando on a 7-0 run. Knocked away. McGetty looks for three. McGrady with the board. They're looking for the 2-on-1 fast break. Back to Davis from three-point land. Rose collects the rebound. To Nesterovic. Dishes off to McGetty. Pass to Nesterovic. Strips the ball. O'Neal misfires.
2 minutes to go in the third quarter.
Those two are having words.
The player's keeping it cool, though, Don. He doesn't want to get a tee right now.
Nesterovic, no good. Davis takes the rebound. Back to Davis. Rose grabs it. To Hughes. To Marion. Mr. High Riser, he sure knew how to throw that one down with authority. The Suns reduce the lead to 14. You got to keep your eyes open out there.
Even if it's a bad pass, you just need to be aware of it to make a play for the ball.
He's bringing the pain.
The assist team.
O'Neal puts up the shot. Gives it off to Hughes.
The whistle works, right?
Stolen. McGrady pushes it. He sets it up on the left side. Gives it off to O'Neal. Looks for a three-pointer. Nails the jumper. That's 19 points for the six-year pro. He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
McGetty wants to try and work it into the post here. To Resho. To Hughes.
Time. Back left. Put it up.
He puts up the jumper. Oh, yes. He has 6 points. Dumps it into O'Neal. Steele. He's running the floor now. He slams it.
He's got some two-fisted fury.
The assist team. Number 20.
Passes off to O'Neal. To Seaweb. He puts up the jumper.
He has got some fresh moves.
And that gives him another basket.
And I think we will see a few more of those.
Hughes is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Swatted away by the Diesel.
Shot clock. What?
Davis is called for the foul. Both these players are battling out there.
That pass is good to go. Listen to
That gives him 8 points. This team needs to get back under control.
He can't afford to be throwing the ball away like that.
Hughes from way outside. At the end of the third, Orlando is ahead 51-40. They've got the lead, Bob, but I'm thinking they shouldn't take anything for granted right now.
No way. When you look at some of the scores on the other team's roster, you know they can get the job done.
That sequence didn't work out for them at all.
The shooter got the ball a little outside of his range and he couldn't convert.
The fake. That was a slick two-handed jam. He's red hot with 21 points. Hughes sets it up on the right side.
Passes off on the pick and roll.
Out of bounds. Magic ball. Into the game for the Phoenix Suns.
Sends it to Weber.
Brunson.
He pump fake. Powers it down with a two-handed jam.
The assist to Chris Weber.
Brunson will bring it up court. They're trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. When you set a screen like that, you want to roll open for the pass because you know it's coming.
Out of bounds. Suns ball.
Get it up.
Brunson from downtown. Weber takes the rebound. Brunson forces him to turn away from the net. Oh my goodness.
The shooting doctor is in.
And you don't need an appointment to see him.
On your right.
He drew the defense off the screen, then hit the screener with a nice pass. The three. The Matrix gets that one. Phoenix reduces the lead to 12. Rose fights on the shot fake. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. The Magic lead by 14.
The assistant, number 1, Tracy McGrady.
He'll bring it up court. He sets it up. The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. The Matrix buries the shot. Gives it off to Weber. He'll do it fake. Marion with the steal. To Palacio. Gonna shoot! O'Neal gets the board. Palacio picks up the foul. Davis to the line,
Into the
shooting
game
one.
for the Suns, number 42, Alan Henderson.
Foul shot is good. Henderson feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. One-on-one, this player's hard to stop. Backing his defender down. He fakes the shot. Hill came up with a major league swat. He sets it up on the right side. O'Neal pump fakes. Henderson is called for the defensive foul. Weber goes to the line, shooting two.
That's his first personal team foul, number 2.
Hits that one.
Into the game for Phönix, number 50, Corey Mugetti, and number 20, Larry Hughes.
Weber makes it. He calls for the clear out.
Looks like there might be some shaking and faking going on here.
Got it. It's almost like the defense isn't there.
He's unstoppable right now. The defense needs to buckle down and stop him here.
That's 16 points for the 9-year veteran. The Magic are up by 17. With the Rainmaker. Davis with the board. They're running and gunning. Tosses it into Hill. Pass to Davis. To Hill. With a nice shot fake. Dishes off to Davis. To T-Mac. He launches a three. Marion gets the rebound. That was all power.
They don't want to get drawn into a running game.
But they're going to need to use their speed on defense, Bob. To O'Neal. Fakes. Gives it off to Davis. To the Diesel. To Hill. With a nice shot fake.
Out of bounds. Phönix
The player doesn't know what that one was all about. He wants an explanation.
Well, the official's going to try to clear things up for him.
Unload. O'Neal takes the board. Orlando wants to push it. Up with the shot. Marion gets the rebound. That gives him 5 rebounds.
Hey, yo, come on!
Shoots a three-pointer. Got it.
Now, that is what I like to see.
Phoenix narrows the gap to 12. Hill with the fake. Strips the ball. Takes the three-pointer. No. Hill gets the board. McGrady spins.
We gotta stop!
That's what we're looking for.
Check out that elevation.
Shaq now has 14 points. Davis is charged with a foul.
To number 1, Baron Davis. First foul.
He
in
sets up the
final
offense. Hughes buries the shot.
This man is putting on a shooting clinic tonight.
Rose with the steal. On the break. Looks at the three. Oh, my goodness.
The assist to Larry Hughes.
Takes the jumper. Sewell hits it. He's now got 12 points.
Timeout. Phönix.
He gets the ring!
No doubt.
The final score.